中国 Y-20 系列运输机的发展历程、现状及未来展望。1、引言 Y-20 系列运输机是中国自主研发的一款大型军事运输机，标志着中国在大型运输机领域的重要进展。该机由西安飞机工业公司设计，首次飞行于2013年1月26日，2016年正式服役。Y-20 被昵称为胖妞，因其机身比中国以往开发的飞机更宽。此报告将详细探讨 Y-20 系列的历史、现状以及未来展望。2、Y-20 的开发历程。1、项目启动与初期发展。Y-20 项目于2007年启动，旨在提升中国人民解放军空军 PLAF 的战略运输能力。2012年 Y-20 原型机首次亮相，显示出其设计的前沿性和复杂性。2013年 Y-20 成功完成首飞，标志着中国在军事航空领域的重要里程碑。2、设计与技术创新。Y-20 的设计采用了许多先进的技术，包括 3D 打印技术及基于模型的定义设计 MBD 技术，这显著提高了生产效率，降低了制造成本。这使得 Y-20 成为全球首款成功应用 3D 打印技术的大型运输机。此外， Y-20 还采用了轻量化的复合材料，提升了飞机的性能和可靠性。3、变种与扩展。 Y-20 系列包括多个变种。 Y-20A 基础运输机使用俄罗斯 D30KP2 发动机。 Y-20B 配备中国自主研发的 WS-20 发动机，预计在2023年投入使用。 YY-20 空中加油机基于 Y-20A 改进而成，能够携带约90吨燃油，并支持空中加油任务，已于2022年正式服役。 KJ-3000 基于 Y-20 的空中预警与指挥机 AEW 与 C， 预计将于2024年首次飞行。3、Y-20 的服役与操作历史。1、服役情况。截至2023年 Y-20 系列已生产67架，主要用于提升中国军队的战略投送能力。Y-20 在多次国内外救援和物资运输任务中发挥了重要作用。例如，在2020年 COVID-19 疫情期间， Y-20 参与了向武汉运输医疗物资和人员的任务。2、关键任务与演习。 Y-20 在多次国际救援行动中表现出色，包括向汤加提供人道主义援助，以及向阿富汗地震灾区运输救援物资。此外， Y-20 也参与了多次军事演习，显示出其在战略投送和空中加油中的重要作用。3、国际影响与市场潜力。 Y-20 系列的引入，使得中国在国际市场上具备竞争力，未来可能向其他国家出口，进一步推动中国在全球军用航空领域的影响力。中国已开始将 Y-20 推向国际市场，包括与尼日利亚的潜在合作。4、当前状态与未来展望。1、现状分析。截至2023年 Y-20 系列运输机的服役和生产状态良好，预计将继续扩展其功能和应用范围。随着技术的不断进步， Y-20 的各个变种将继续发展，以满足现代战争的需求。2、技术与战术演变。未来 Y-20 系列的多样化应用将加强 PLAF 的空中监视、指挥控制和作战支持能力，尤其是在对抗区域拒止 ARAD 的环境中。KJ-3000 的引入将进一步提升中国的空中预警能力，为现代战争提供更为强大的支持。3、产业与经济影响。 Y-20 系列的成功不仅提升了中国的军事能力，也促进了相关航空产业的发展。通过自主研发和生产，中国在大型运输机领域逐渐获得了技术自信，未来有望在全球市场上占据一席之地。5、结论。中国 Y-20 Y-20系列运输机的发展历程，展示了中国在航空领域的技术进步与自主创新能力。随着新型变种的不断推出， Y-20不仅将继续服务于中国人民解放军，还可能在国际市场上发挥更大作用。面向未来， Y-20系列将是中国军事航空力量的重要组成部分，为维护国家安全和提升战略投送能力提供强有力的支持。Counterintuitive insights on the Y-20 series transport aircraft. 1. Rapid adoption of advanced manufacturing technologies. The Y-20 series is notable for its incorporation of cutting-edge manufacturing techniques such as 3D printing and model-based definition (MBD). This approach, which initially faced resistance, ultimately led to significant reductions in production time and costs. The ability to implement these technologies effectively challenges common perceptions that traditional manufacturing methods are always superior in defense aerospace contexts, especially in nations with a shorter history of advanced aircraft production. Engine development and dependency. Initially, the Y-20 relied on Russian engines D-30 KP, which has typically been seen as a disadvantage for a country aiming for complete self-reliance in military capabilities. However, the transition to the domestically developed Shenyang WS-20 engine has been described as a monumental advancement. This shift not only enhances performance but also exemplifies the rapid development of indigenous capabilities, countering the notion that reliance on foreign technology stunts domestic innovation. 3. Operational versatility and humanitarian missions. While primarily designed for military transport, the Y-20 has also been deployed for humanitarian missions, such as delivering medical supplies during the COVID-19 pandemic and disaster relief following natural calamities. This dual-use capability highlights a shift in military transport aircraft roles, merging traditional military functions with soft power and international aid efforts, contradicting the expectation that military assets are strictly for combat operations. 4. Strategic implications of increased production. The initial projections for the Y-20 fleet suggested a need for hundreds of units to meet both military and civil transport requirements. However, the actual production rate and the rapid integration of variants like the Y-20 aerial refueling tanker have exceeded expectations. This rapid scaling suggests a strategic pivot, where the Y-20 series is not just filling a gap in the PLA's logistics but is also positioning China as a competitor in the global military transport aircraft market, which is traditionally dominated by Western manufacturers. 5. Perception of size and capability. The Y-20 is affectionately nicknamed Chubby Girl due to its larger fuselage compared to earlier Chinese aircraft. This playful moniker contrasts with the aircraft's serious capabilities, such as transporting heavy military equipment like tanks over long distances. The perception that larger aircraft are less agile is turned on its head by the Y-20's design, which emphasizes both capacity and performance, challenging assumptions about the trade-offs in military transport aircraft design. 6. Emergence of new AWUC capabilities. The development of the KJ-3000 airborne early warning and control variant, based on the Y-20, signifies a substantial leap in China's aerial surveillance capabilities. Historically, most Chinese AWUC platforms were smaller turboprop aircraft, leading to a belief that larger, jet-powered systems would take longer to develop. The swift emergence of the KJ-3000, leveraging the Y-20's platform, illustrates an acceleration in technological integration that defies previous expectations about China's development timeline in advanced military aviation. 2. Global market potential. The Y-20 series is being marketed to countries like Nigeria, indicating a strategic shift toward becoming a key player in the global military aircraft market. This development contrasts with historical trends where China primarily imported military technology. By offering the Y-20 to potential international customers, China is not only expanding its influence but also challenging established suppliers, which is unexpected given China's previous focus on domestic capabilities. 8. Anti-access area denial strategy. The Y-20's role in enhancing China's anti-access area denial (A2AD) strategy is often underappreciated. While the aircraft is seen primarily as a transport solution, its capabilities in logistics and refueling significantly bolster China's ability to project power within contested regions like the South China Sea and around Taiwan. This supports the idea that military logistics can be a critical element of strategic deterrence, which is not always highlighted in discussions about air power. 9. Community resistance to new technologies. Initial resistance from suppliers to adopt MBD techniques for the Y-20 reveals a broader trend in defense procurement and manufacturing where traditional methodologies are often preferred. Despite this hesitation, the eventual compliance and success of MBD techniques suggest that innovation can prevail in environments resistant to change, which is contrary to the common belief that defense industries are inherently conservative and slow to adapt. In summary, the Y-20 series represents a significant shift in China's military aviation capabilities, challenging many existing narratives about defense production, operational versatility, and international military market dynamics. The rapid development and diversification of the Y-20 variants highlight a strategic foresight that positions China competitively both regionally and globally. The Y-20 series of military transport aircraft represents a significant achievement in China's aviation capabilities, symbolizing both technological advancement and strategic military objectives. Here are several critical aspects of the Y-20 series that many might overlook, along with their significance. Technological innovations in manufacturing. The Y-20's development is notable for its incorporation of advanced manufacturing technologies such as 3D printing and model-based definition (MBD) design techniques. These innovations are not just about improving production efficiency. They signify a paradigm shift in how military aircraft can be designed and built. The Y-20 is reportedly the first cargo aircraft globally to utilize 3D printing, which has reduced the manufacturing cycle time significantly. This is significant because it highlights China's ability to modernize its aerospace manufacturing capabilities, reducing reliance on older, slower production methods. Moreover, the ability to implement cutting-edge technologies can lead to reduced costs and faster deployment times, crucial for military readiness in dynamic geopolitical contexts. Development of indigenous engines. The transition from Russian engines D-30 to domestically produced engines WS-20 represents a key milestone in China's self-sufficiency in military aviation. The successful development and integration of the WS-20 engine not only enhances the Y-20's performance in terms of thrust and efficiency, but also reduces dependence on foreign technology. This shift is particularly significant in the context of increasing sanctions and trade restrictions that China faces from the West, particularly in the defense sector. The ability to produce indigenous engines enhances not only national security but also positions China as a more competitive player in the global arms market. 3. Strategic military implications. The Y-20 series enhances the People's Liberation Army Air Force's PLF strategic airlift capabilities, which are critical for modern military operations. Its ability to transport heavy equipment, such as tanks and humanitarian aid, showcases its dual-use capabilities, military and civilian. The aircraft's operational history includes missions that extend beyond traditional military roles, such as delivering medical supplies during the COVID-19 pandemic and humanitarian aid following natural disasters. This versatility enhances China's soft power and demonstrates a commitment to global humanitarian efforts. It positions the Y-20 as not just a military asset but also a diplomatic tool. For airborne early warning and control AWUC role. The development of the KJ-1000, an AWUC variant based on the Y-20, is another critical but often overlooked aspect. AEWUC aircraft are essential for modern air forces, providing situational awareness and command and control capabilities. The KJ-3000 will likely enhance China's ability to monitor vast areas, especially in contested regions such as the South China Sea and around Taiwan. This capability is significant as it supports China's anti-access area denial (2AD) strategies, allowing for better integration of various military assets during conflicts. The ability to maintain situational awareness at a longer range could be a game-changer in regional military dynamics. Export potential. As China continues to develop and refine the Y-20 series, there is potential for the aircraft to enter the international arms market. The Y-20's features can be appealing to countries looking for cost-effective, capable transport solutions. This aspect is significant as it could shift the balance of military logistics in regions where the Y-20 is sold, providing China with both economic benefits and increased geopolitical influence. It could also challenge established suppliers like the US and Russia by offering alternative military capabilities to developing nations. Capacity for future adaptations. The Y-20's design allows for various configurations, including troop transport, cargo, and aerial refueling. This adaptability is crucial in a rapidly changing military landscape where requirements can shift quickly due to emerging threats or changing strategic priorities. The significance here lies in the Y-20's potential to evolve in response to future military needs, ensuring that the PLF remains relevant and capable in the face of new challenges. It reflects a forward-thinking approach in military aviation planning, where flexibility and adaptability are paramount. System integration within PLF. The Y-20's integration into the PLF's operations illustrates a broader trend of modernizing China's military capabilities. The aircraft's deployment alongside advanced fighters like the J-20 enhances the overall effectiveness of China's air combat and logistics strategies. This integration is significant as it indicates a cohesive strategy to develop a modern, multidimensional air force capable of conducting a range of operations, from logistics to combat. It symbolizes a move toward a more sophisticated military strategy that relies on the synergy between various platforms. Conclusion. The Y-20 series is not merely a transport aircraft, it represents a multifaceted strategic asset for China. Its development encapsulates technological innovation, military strategy, and geopolitical ambition. The overlooked aspects of its manufacturing processes, engine development, operational versatility, and potential for export and adaptation are critical to understanding its significance in the future of military aviation and China's role on the global stage. As China continues to enhance these capabilities, the Y-20 will likely play a pivotal role in shaping the future landscape of military operations. Technological innovations and manufacturing advances. The Y-20 series exemplifies significant advancements in military aviation technology, particularly through the integration of 3D printing and model-based definition (MBD) design techniques. These innovations have improved production efficiency, reduced manufacturing costs, and shortened development timelines. The Y-20 is notable for being the first cargo aircraft to utilize 3D printing in its construction, which reflects China's commitment to modernizing its aerospace capabilities and establishing a self-sufficient defense industry. Due strategic versatility and operational role, the Y-20 series, including its variants Y-20A, Y-20B, YY-20, enhances the People's Liberation Army Air Force's PLF strategic airlift and refueling capabilities. With a maximum payload capacity of 66 tons and an operational range of approximately 7,800 kilometers, the Y-20 can transport heavy military equipment, such as tanks, and support various missions ranging from humanitarian aid to military logistics. The introduction of the Y-20 as an aerial refueling platform further extends the operational reach of the PLF, allowing for enhanced power projection in contested environments. 3. Geopolitical implications and export potential. The Y-20's development positions China as a competitive player in the global military aviation market. As the aircraft gains operational maturity, there is potential for exports to other nations, which could enhance China's influence in international defense partnerships. The Y-20's capabilities may attract interest from countries seeking advanced airlift and refueling solutions, thereby expanding China's defense industry presence and fostering geopolitical alliances. 4. Future development and military doctrine. The ongoing evolution of the Y-20 series, including the anticipated KJ-3000 airborne early warning and control variant, signifies China's strategic focus on enhancing its military capabilities in response to regional security dynamics. The Y-20's integration into the PLF reflects a broader military doctrine that emphasizes rapid deployment, increased situational awareness, and the ability to operate in contested environments. As China continues to invest in and expand its Air Force capabilities, the Y-20 will likely play a critical role in future military operations and regional defense strategies. The Boeing C-7 Globemaster. The C-7 is a large military transport aircraft developed by McDonnell Douglas for the United States Air Force. It first flew in 1991 and was introduced into service in 1995. The C-7 is known for its ability to carry oversized cargo and operate from short airfields. It plays a crucial role in rapid strategic airlift of troops and cargo to main operating bases or forward operating bases. The aircraft's development involved significant innovations in design and technology, similar to China's Y-20 series, which also focuses on enhancing cargo capabilities and operational flexibility. 2. Ilyushin Il-76. The Il-76 is a Soviet air transport aircraft that was developed in the 1960s and has been used extensively by various air forces, including Russia and several other countries. It was one of the first jet-powered military transport aircraft and has undergone several upgrades and variants over its service life. The Il-76's capabilities in transporting heavy and oversized cargo and its role in strategic airlift missions draw parallels to the Y-20's objectives in enhancing the People's Liberation Army Air Force's airlift capabilities. 3. Lockheed Martin KC-1. This is a military aerial refueling aircraft that has been in service since the 1960s, based on the C-130 Hercules transport. The KC-130 variant provides the U.S. Marine Corps with aerial refueling capabilities for aircraft and helicopters. Its development focused on enhancing the operational reach of air forces, similar to how the Y-20 variant of the Y-20 is designed to expand China's aerial refueling capabilities. Both aircraft illustrate the importance of versatile support roles in modern military aviation. 未来展望 Y-20 系列运输机的发展预测。中国的 Y-20 系列运输机自2013年首飞以来，经历了多次技术革新与战术应用的演变，未来其发展前景值得密切关注。以下是对 Y-20 系列未来的几个关键预测。一、技术进步与性能提升。随着 WS-20 发动机的全面投入使用， Y-20 系列将在动力和性能上实现显著提升。预计到2030年， Y-20B 及其后续变种将能够在更高的高度和更远的距离执行任务，特别是在有效载荷和燃油效率方面的优化，将使其在战略投送能力上更具竞争力。二、多样化的任务平台。 Y-20 系列的多种变体，如 YY-20 加油机和 KJ-3000 预警机，将进一步增强中国空军的作战能力。未来 Y-20 可能扩展为无人机平台的支持者，通过载运先进的无人侦察机或打击机，提升战场监视和打击能力。预计在2030年前， Y-20 系列将拥有更多的任务配置选项，以适应复杂多变的战场环境。三、国际市场的扩展。随着 Y-20 系列的成熟，中国可能会积极开拓国际市场，向其他国家出口该机型。借助其较高的性价比和自主研发的优势， Y-20 有潜力成为其他国家军队的重要补给和运输选择，进一步提升中国在全球航空市场的影响力。四类与其他军种的整合。 Y-20 系列将在中国人民解放军 PLA 内实现更广泛的整合，尤其是在陆军和海军之间的协同作战能力。通过与其他作战平台，如隐形战斗机和海军航母进行联合演练， Y-20 将成为跨军种作战的重要支撑，增强中国军队的综合战斗力。五、应对新兴威胁。在未来的地缘政治环境中， Y-20 系列将面临新的挑战和威胁。中国可能会对 Y-20 进行更多的电子战和防空系统集成，以提高其在高威胁环境中的生存能力。此外，针对潜在的网络战和信息战， Y-20 系列也可能整合新的信息对抗技术，以保护其通信和指挥能力。六、环境友好型技术的应用。随着全球对环保要求的不断提高， Y-20 系列未来可能会引入更环保的技术，例如使用可再生材料和降低燃油消耗的先进发动机。这不仅符合国际趋势，也有助于提升中国在军事航空领域的形象。七、合作与联合研发。未来，中国可能会与其他国家在 Y-20 系列的研发和应用上展开合作。这种合作不仅限于技术交流，还包括联合训练和演习，从而提升双方的战略互信与协作能力。总之， Y-20 系列运输机在未来的发展将继续保持技术创新与战术多样化的方向，力争在国内外航空市场中占据更加重要的地位。随着中国军队现代化步伐的加快， Y-20 系列将为提升国家战略投送能力和应对复杂安全环境提供强有力的支撑。